Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, I added. Okay, the first question was, what is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? The answer was nitrogen. Keep in mind the answer should be in lowercase letters. So if answer is equal to nitrogen, get your print correct. And in the point system, I just said points is equal to points plus 3. I just added 3 for absolutely no reason. There are other ways in which you could rephrase this. You could say points is equal to plus 3 or some other way. I don't know. For me, this is more clear and simple because Python is basic and it's straight up English. So now with this part, we could say else if, oh my days, C++, if maybe answer is not equal to nitrogen and then print something else. But to simplify everything, we could just say else print incorrect. Oh, I forgot something. Since here I am printing, I'm incrementing the points or your score, I should update the user, right? So I'll say your current, that is not current, your current score is, I'll add this here and say points. Oh yeah, I'll add this. And say points. Yeah, the current score is whatever value of points you have, and I should do the same thing for when you get the question incorrect. I won't type this whole thing, I'll just copy and paste. Next question, say print question 2. Let's put a new line here. Okay, now let's start with a very basic question. What element does O represent in the periodic table? This is basic, you know, once you get it. Okay, I have to steal this, copy this, because I don't want to type this whole thing again. So copy this, I go down here, I paste it as it is, I put the same if statement, if answer is equal to oxygen, and I steal this as well. Steal this as well. And same goes. I should have marked the whole thing because going back and forth is annoying. Okay, just paste it here. Done. Moving on. Question 3. Oh yeah, before I forget, let's test out if this actually runs, because if it doesn't, I am not uploading this. Okay, name Lowell, age, just put 0. I don't like this. It's too basic, straightforward. But let's continue. Start quiz. Okay, it runs. Your current score is 0 points. Note, answers should be in lowercase letters. I don't think anyone should or will miss this. So I like the spacing. The question's clear and you can see the sentence properly. Alright, so what is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? The answer is nitrogen. Correct. Your current score is 3 points. Question 2. I forgot to put a new line here. but okay. What element? This is not does. Oh my life. What element does O represent in the periodic table? Say oxygen. Let me get it correct and see what happens. Oh, small letters. Hydrogen. Still 3 points. Okay. So the one thing I'm happy about is that the point system works perfectly. So let's fix this. Okay, we'll put this all in a while loop instead of a for loop. Moving on. Oh yeah, there was something I forgot to do. What was it? Oh yeah, add a new line here. Add a new line here as well. And add a new line here. I'm adding these for clarity in terms of questions. Okay. Print. Where are we now? Let me just do this for no reason. No, what am I doing? Okay, print question 3. What should I ask question 3? Oh, okay, I have an idea. Which planet is known as the red planet? Because I'm aiming for basic, common knowledge science questions. Nothing too complicated. That's plain. Question mark, new line. This is the part where, okay, not yet. Put an if statement here. If answer, my bad, if answer is equal to Mars. Now, this is where I steal everything. Correct, wait. Let's take this part. Correct, if answers that, print incorrect. Splendid. Splendid indeed. Moving on. Let me just put 4 questions. Last question. Should I make 5? Okay, let me put one last question because there's some things I want to customize the code. Like I want to get to the fun part. I don't know if I should call it fun part. I should just do CSS because I love customizing sometimes. Oh, question 4. Sorry. Question 4. New line. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? You all know it. It is the rich and famous. Why am I saying rich? I have no clue. It is a diamond. Okay. Paste. If answer is diamond, print correct. And then score. Now, I'll keep it at 4 questions. But now I want to get to the part where everything makes sense. Hopefully I don't screw everything up. Okay, I'm going to define quiz, and then we're going to take everything. Okay, not exactly everything, but if option is 1.0. Okay, I'll take this. Okay, I put everything in quiz. What am I doing now? Oh, okay. If option is 1, I'll put this in the main function. I'll just define. I don't know if we do the same in Python, but I'm used to the thingy in C++. Okay, we define this. We then, I'll just remove this. I hope this works. Main, right? We say menu first, and then with the menu, I have an idea. I'll cut this. Go down here and say option. Say maybe if option is equal to 1, since we said the option is an integer, right? So if option is 1, we say quiz. We call the quiz function. I hope this works. Now if option is 2, what did I say 2 was? 2 was exit. Oh, okay. I say print. Thank you for running the quiz. Okay, technically you didn't run the quiz, so, and this is not thank you. We're not thanking you, we're saying goodbye. Put a smiley face there. Yeah, put it here. Okay. Oh, the /t is for tab, and then the n is for new line. Okay, and then we'll say else. The classic print invalid option. Entered. Yeah. Okay, I mentioned putting this in a loop, so shoot, I forgot something here. So now here we'll say print your final score is, we put this, we say points is equal to, say points. Maybe if, so how many points are you supposed to get in total? Because I'm counting with 3, so 3, 6, 9, 12. If points is greater than, let's say 10, print great job, you know your stuff. Else, I don't want to have 3 messages, I just want to have 2. Print at least you tried.